If you're not using broad terms in your Google Ad strategy because maybe you've heard something or read something online, then potentially you're missing out massively. So let me explain. Google right now is creating an environment in which we have to use broad terms for our Google Ads strategy in 2026. And the ways that we can do this is we can use this through broad keywords, performance max campaigns, and AI max. As of recording this video right now, I would not use AI max. So that leaves us with performance max campaigns and then the broad terms that we can add in for the keywords that we're targeting. And the reason for this is what we're seeing is AI overviews are down by up to 30 to 40% less clicks than we had previously. So now when I create Google Ads campaigns, I create based on three things. So the first thing that I do is when I'm adding in broad terms as keywords that I'm targeting, I'm looking at the longer tail keywords. So what I mean by that is as an example, if I was targeting like local builders, I wouldn't necessarily put local builders as a broad term. I would add in 3, 4, 5 keywords to give Google a little bit more. So maybe potentially we could have local residential builders near me. So what's that? Local residential builders near me. That's 5 words, which creates a little bit more meaning, which will assist Google to get you the best results on those broad terms. So we want to give a little bit more data for Google. The other thing we want to do, the second thing, is pair your match type. So broad with exact. So what I do is when I'm creating those 1 or 2 broad terms, I'm adding in exact terms based on what I'm seeing in the search terms report. And the reason I do this is because with broad, Google will pick up to 5 to 6 additional signals from adding in broad, which means that Google will look at the keywords in your ad group and use that as more information. So the more information that we can give Google, the better our ads are going to be seen. And the third thing that we want to make sure with our Google Ads is that we're using the smart bidding. So by adding in smart bidding in, pairing our broad terms with our exact terms, and then on top of that, we're adding in those longer words to create a sentence or a little bit more meaning, then potentially we're going to see our ads improve. And all of this is what I'm using in my strategy for 2026 to improve my Google Ads.